SPM, English Paper 2. SPM, English Paper 2.
Model question. Imagine you are the teacher in charge of the drama club. You are asked to give a talk on the art of public speaking. Write out the speech. Use these notes to help you. Many get tongue-tied while speaking in front of an audience. Knees go weak and you lose your voice. Use the following notes to help you. Tips on public speaking. Know your topic well. Prepare well on what you want to convey to the audience. Grab audience's attention in the first few minutes. Control the tone and volume of your voice. Speak with expression. Never rush through your speech. Look in the eyes of your audience. Keep yourself in a relaxed state and body flexible. When writing your speech, you should remember to use the speech format. Use all the notes given. End your speech by thanking the audience.
Model answer. Good morning, students. I am Anate, the teacher in charge of the drama club. I am happy to give a talk today on the art of public speaking. I am sure many of you get tongue-tied while speaking in front of an audience. Your voice turns viscous, your knees go weak and you lose your voice. Don't worry, you are not in a minority. Let me share with you a few tips on public speaking. First, know your topic well. Prepare well on what you want to convey to your audience. Grab the audience's attention in the first few minutes with a question, startling comment, inspiring story or a funny experience. This will help you connect immediately with everyone and reduce the tension.
Next, you have to control the tone and volume of your voice. Your tone should not be too high or too low. More importantly, speak with expression. Put feelings into what you want to say. This has more impact on your audience. In addition, never rush through your speech. A person who speaks too fast will come across as being nervous. The audience will soon lose interest in your speech. Look in the eyes of your audience. Try to make as much eye contact as possible. It will put you at ease. It also shows whatever you are saying is with conviction.
Remember to keep yourself in a relaxed state, keep your body flexible. Do not stiffen your shoulders, arms, and legs. Take deep breaths. Use your posture and body language to your advantage. A relaxed posture is the best posture to have while giving a speech. I hope I have given you many ideas on how to make a good speech. Thank you.
Vocabulary Guide. Tongue-tied, unable to speak clearly because you feel nervous or embarrassed. Viscous, to become thick or sticky. Impact, influence. Conviction, confidence, assurance.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.